Ito na guys. May unang nakasama na tayo dito.
Hey!
Pre, mag-ice cream lang pre.
ko, 300 nandun.
Boba. Boba. Food/travel vlog. Okay guys, nandito na kami sa Sahara. Si Bryce, ewan ko baka kumakain na hindi tumatawag eh. Miss kasi nagpapa-vlog pa eh. Iyak tuloy ako. May hawak ako stick dito. Tapos nilalakad tayo sa moon. Feeling ko celebrity na ako, di ba pre? Oo. We're recording. What's up? Nakita niyo yung fan ko? Nakita niyo yung fan namin.
Nag-security kami.
What's up guys? Good evening.
Ang late ko. Kayo nga mag-awak. Ang late ko.
Ayusin niyo naman pag-awak niyo. Oh, guys, we're gonna be finding stuff in Hema. Wow! Kasi project. We have social anxiety, all of us. Yeah. So we can't do this in public. Guys, I have no social anxiety. Ang sinabi nga ni JB, naghihintay na lang daw kami ng mga aasar sa amin, tapos bugbugan daw kagad.
Later guys, magbe-billiards tayo.
Pero
Kasama
dapat
si Ruben.
ano? Dapat ba kasama ka? Dapat kasama tayo lahat. Ano ba? Ba't kayo naghihiwalay pag naglalakad? Look at that! Guys,
Oh no!
Emojis! Oh my God. Hey,
Hello.
yes.
What?
We have a question for you.
Yes? What's the question?
Okay guys, mga kasama ko talaga mga may topak eh. Basta may topak.
Wala ka pala siya na?
Ano po? Wala pa kasi yan? Dito.
Huwag ako lumabas.
Pre, may basura pre. Okay. Sumama ka na dyan, basurahan ka naman na.
Kaya dumi-diretso ako. So, ayun na nga guys, we're gonna be going to Adventureland. Ang live din naman ng Adventureland ngayon.
So many people.
Ang daming mga bata, ang daming mga tao.
Akin na nga, walang kwenta mga sinasabi mo. Okay, so guys, we saw a Chinese astronaut earlier. Guys, the moon is fake. The moon is fake. The earth is flat. And Tiananmen Square, 1989. This is a group vlog. Huh? Oh, group vlog. So guys, I believe that Mao Zedong is a dictator that massacred millions of lives for his own gain and has created a... That's real! That's all real! No, that's the whole point of it.
Gusto mag-boxing? Tara.
Pero
may pera kayo? Wala akong pera.
Wala akong... The problem! Hoy! Hoy! Ako naman!
Oh!
Hoy! Siya pinakamalakas! Oh my God! Look at it! Yeah! Wait! Napin mo yung high score! Oh my God! Ang lakas! Ang lakas! Panis! Natalo ko yung high score, boy! Let's go! Nakita niyo yan? Wala makakatalo sa akin, boy! Uy! Sabi mo nga na makakabala sa'yo! May bago champion na naman, pre, si Jay. Uy! Ah!
High score, high
So,
score.
nagka-streak kami, nasira namin
High
yung
score, high
guys.
score. Nasira mo yung high score.
831. Okay guys, nasa isang machine naman kami ngayon. JB pre. Naku boy, naku si JB, may tinitignan. Susubugin na. Ako bawal ako. Isa lang talaga ako. Siya lang talaga. Improvement! I can't lose to JB. I believe in you guys. Kasi na-beat natin yung record kaya nabigyan tayo ng credits. Tara mo guys. Billiards tayo ngayon. Tara billiards. Under billiards. Sabi na lalaki pre?
So, bawal daw kami, pwede naman daw kami mag-record sa loob. Pero, dahan-dahan lang daw kami sa, wag daw namin pakita yung prices or else, mapa-fine kami. Saka wag daw namin bili yung mukha niya. Kaya, for safe measures, nandito na kami sa labas. Habang sila nasa loob.
Okay guys, cheers. Nandito na kami guys. Simulan na guys. Change ang ko na muna. Sige, sino na daw? You know what? Yeah. Okay lang. Kasi...
What's up guys? So today, we're gonna be going to Dunkin' Donuts now. We're gonna be grabbing drinks. Sorry, I wasn't paying attention. Boycott KFC. We're not supposed to be buying from KFC because we should be boycotting KFC. Because KFC is supporting Israel. Let me fix you up, baby. Grab it.
So mag-order na sila. Guys, may kakilala sila James dito.
Wait lang, may ano pala dito. Bye-bye sila dito.
Nangiinuman na sila.
Yummy.
Kami nasa bahay, mag-iinuman na kami ng alak.
Tama.
Ay, joke lang yan.
Joke lang yan, miss. Hindi po kami nainom ng alak kasi mabait po kami.
Hindi, miss. Joke lang yan, miss. Ano nga, miss, di kami iinom ng wala ka, boy. Now, take over.
Take over time by Ryzen. Teka. We are enjoying our time here. Thank you, miss, for having the idea of doing a travel vlog instead of doing a biography. I hate writing
Basta, gawin mo ulit na nga. Ako na ba?
and I enjoy going out. Thank you, miss.
I have sugar in my mouth.
Finish! Yo, we just finished, bro. We just ate, we just play. Buy some drinks to refreshen up and we're gonna go home right now.
Oh, Bryce keeps touching my ass, bro. I don't know why. No. Put that in. Put that in, editor. Put that in. Okay, guys.
Ano sa taxi si James?
Nakabili na kami ng mga, like, ano? Hydroponic.
Thank you, guys. Plus grade.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for teaching us creative nonfiction.
You're a cool teacher.
We love you.
Bye, man.
Bye-bye.